Looking for the best 3D printer to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Qidi Q2. The Qidi Q2 is a reasonably priced workhorse position between serious hobbyist rigs and prosumer 3D printers. The Q2 is a fully enclosed, heated chamber unit that can print with a wide variety of materials, including engineering-grade filaments. Featuring advanced automatic leveling, it can print out of the box without requiring any tuning or adjustments. It is capable of producing good print quality, although it may require some fine-tuning for optimal results. Who it's for? 3D printing newbies. The Q2 is an excellent choice for beginners to 3D printing. It is a cinch to get up and running. With a large color display, its user interface leads you, step by step, through the setup process. Number 2. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to make big 3D prints for a modest price? The open-frame Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer produces jumbo-sized prints, a rarity for sub-$500 3D printers, and in our testing, printed more than 20 objects of generally very good quality. It requires some basic assembly and enough table or bench space to house it, but setup and operation are easy enough. Be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order when purchasing the Neptune, or buy it in a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? 3D printing beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is ideal as a starter 3D printer for a newbie willing to roll up their sleeves. Some fairly simple assembly is required. As an open-frame 3D printer, the Neptune's workings, motors, belts, cables, print bed, extruder, and filament feed remain visible. Both assembling it and seeing it in action help a newcomer to better understand the 3D printing process. The Neptune is capable of printing large objects, and our test prints were generally of very good quality. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is not only an affordable 3D printer, but also offers an inexpensive add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. It generates high-quality prints at a relatively high speed, too. The A1 Mini is exceptionally easy to get up and running and continues to be problem-free while you're printing. Who it's for? Beginners. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini comes nearly fully assembled and is easy to set up and operate. It quickly generates good-looking prints and proved problem-free in our testing. The combo version that we reviewed includes an add-on module that can print with any or all of 4 different colored filaments, making multicolor creations easy. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship printer from a company that helped pioneer filament-based multicolor 3D printing. It boasts a 4-color print capability, a large print bed, and an easy-to-switch nozzle system, all at a reasonable price. The A1 is easy to get going and offers excellent quality prints. Note that the A1 works with Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system as either an optional extra for the $399 base model or included with the A1 combo, which costs $559. Who it's for? 3D printing beginners. The A1 is a good fit for beginners. It is easy to set up and use, and comes at a reasonable cost. The A1 combo version, which we reviewed, adds Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system to the $399 base model, enabling you to get started with multicolor 3D printing. Number 5. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Fast, precise, and with exceptional automatic resin handling, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a great choice for enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals seeking an SLA 3D printer for personal or business use. It can generate the smallest of miniatures up through exceptionally large models, with easy-to-use remote monitoring. Its excellent resin management works entirely behind the scenes, allowing you to get to the print quickly and cleanly. The printer's light source system easily handles the most stringent calibration files down to the 10-micron level with remarkable print quality. And it comes in at a very reasonable price for a 3D printer of its capabilities. Who it's for? Professionals. With a build quality that approaches industrial-grade standards, along with exceptional reliability and the ability to print fine details, the Mono M7 Max should appeal to professionals seeking a 3D printer for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing.